The new Triumph Bonneville Bobber TFC, Triumph Factory Custom, takes the iconic bobber to new heights, blending custom-inspired craftsmanship with enhanced performance and exclusivity. As part of Triumph's premium TFC line, this limited edition motorcycle delivers an unparalleled combination of style, power, and sophistication. Underneath its stunning blacked-out and brushed metal aesthetic lies a more powerful version of the 1,200 cubic centimeters Bonneville twin engine, delivering increased horsepower and torque for an exhilarating ride. The engine is paired with a lighter chassis and high-spec suspension for improved handling and agility, ensuring an engaging experience on every ride. The Bobber TFC is adorned with premium details, including carbon fiber accents, billet aluminum components, and a hand-finished paint scheme that exudes class and exclusivity. Advanced features such as ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and a full suite of rider aids provide modern convenience and safety without compromising its classic appeal. Limited to a small production run, each bike comes with a numbered plaque, certificate of authenticity, and a host of exclusive features, making it a collector's dream. The Bonneville Bobber TFC is a bold statement of individuality and craftsmanship for riders who demand the extraordinary.